Greetings everyone. Today we are going to look at lowest common multiple, which means LCM, lowest common multiple or least common multiple. If for instance you are asked to find the LCM of 4 and 6. If for instance we are asked to find the LCM of 4 and 6, first of all we are going to find the multiples of 4 and the multiples of what? 6. So multiple of 4, they are, you multiply by a natural number, which means 4 times 1, 4, 4 times 2, 8, 4 times 3, 12, 4 times 4, 16, 4 times 5, 20, 4 times 6, 24, 4 times 7, 28, and so on. Now we also find a multiple of 6. And they are 6 times 1, 6. That's how to generate the multiple. 6 times 2, 12. 6 times 3, 18. 6 times 4, 24. 6 times 5, 30. 6 times 6, 36, and so on. Now we have found the multiple of 4 and 6. So the next thing is to find the common multiple, to find the numbers which 4 and 6 have in common. So common multiple of 4 and 6 are, look at the multiple of 4 and multiples of 6 and pick out the numbers they have in common. In 4 we have 12 and we have 12 also here, so they have 12 in common. Then they have 24 in common, 24, and so on. Now after finding the common multiple, now is the lowest, which is LCM, lowest common multiple or least common multiple. We now come to the common multiple and find the list of lowest numbers. So the lowest number among these numbers is what? 12. So LCM of 4 and 6 is equal to 12. I hope it's clear. So we can also use another method in solving this particular question, in finding the LCM of any given number. Now we have something like this, 4 and 6. So we can use prime numbers to divide the numbers. So the least prime number we are going to pick is 2. 2 goes into 4 will be 2. 2 into 6 will be 3. Now since we still have even number, we also use 2 again. 2 into 2, 1. 2 into 3, it cannot, we drop it down. Now we use 3. 3 is 1, already 1. So 3 into 3 is 1. Now we are going to multiply all these numbers. So LCM of 4 and 6 is equal to 2 times 2 times 3. And 2 times 2 is what? 4. 4 times 3 is what? 12. So do you see now you can use this method to solve the LCM. I hope it's clear. Let's solve another problem on LCM. So we are asked to find the LCM of 12 and 18. That we should find the LCM of 12 and 18. So we are going to use the second method I used before. In the first method, which is finding the multiple, when you are given a large number like this, some children find it difficult to get the multiple and it takes a lot of time also. But this method is very easier. to find the LCM. So I have 12 and the 18. So I will use the prime numbers to divide these numbers. So the least prime number I will check is what? 2. 2 into 12 will give us what? 6. 2 into 18 will give us what? 9. Now I still have even number here, so 2 can go again. 2 into 6 is what? 3. 2 cannot go into 9 without remainder, so I'll bring it down. Then I'll use 3 now. 3 into 3 is 1. 3 into 9 is what? 3. Since I still have 3 here, I'll use 3 again. This is already 1, and 3 into 3 is what? 1. So LCM of 12 and 18 is equal to 2 times 2 times 3 times 3, which will give us what? 2 times 2 is what? 4. 4 times 3 is what? 12. 12 times 3 is what? 36. So the lowest common multiple of 12 and 18 is equal to 36. Remember that LCM is very important in solving problems on fraction, and also when you are simplifying equation with fraction. So I believe it's clear.